What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SS Blackie back again with another video. And today we're gonna be doing a Catless POV. Catless POV, you know what I'm saying? Tight jump. Give y'all guys a cold start. Y'all can see it kind of quiet. It's quiet down, like, bro. I couldn't even hear myself. Dang. So I can only imagine how it sounded then. You know what I'm saying? Let me let y'all hear one more time. Then we gonna start the drive. Pick y'all back up when I'm backing out. The other sound in reverse. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. That's how it sound in reverse. See that damn car? Oh, this bitch trying to get down. Come on, this bitch up here going. Are them downshield though? It sounds so much better like that. It sounds so much better. Sounds so much open and like more aggressive, like sounds amazing, bro. This sounds fucking amazing. Fighting the real limiter. When I go to downshift, it's fighting the real limiter. Like, the real limiter stopped me from downshifting to like high RPMs, but it'll do it sometimes. Sometimes it won't do it. it sounds so good. Like, it sounds so good that I'm not even talking. You know, like I'm just listening to the car. Pretty much just listen to the car. Just listen to the car. Just I can't even talk because it just sounds so good and deep and loud and aggressive. Like, it just make me smile every time I get on the gas. Like, just know this Catless junk would make your ass run out of gas so quick. I'm not gonna lie. That's because you constantly trying to hit the car. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I'm doing something productive. Let me get y'all guys at the light tight jump, like not too crazy. Speed limit like 40. Can't do too much. You can't do too much. You know what I'm saying? We obey the rules over here. Very legit. We gotta obey the rules. Yeah, like I was saying though, yeah, we obey the rules over here, so I can't go too crazy. Like, I can't even see in that truck. It's so tall. Go, baby. How to get blacklisted real quick. Folks gonna call the cops on you. Downshifts. Don't stop. What the hell was that? A dog? Heard something. I heard something back there. It sounded like a dog, but I didn't see a dog. So, just raised my suspension up like kind of high. I was like, what was that? I went from saying it to like hearing a dog. Tight jump. If y'all want to get your car come at Catless, I'd recommend you doing it. Because you can't go wrong. It just sounds so amazing. But I'm ending off the video right here, guys. I hope y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you got any questions, comment down below. Peace.